So for any given price, each firm supplies a quantity of output, so the marginal cost is equal to the MR, P and AR. So this condition, when MC is equal to MR is equal to price is equal to AR, this is called the profit maximizing of the firm. So the market supply curve reflects the individual market cost curve, right? But if we want to find out the market supply curve, up till now we have calculated competitive firm supply curve. Now what if we want to find out the market supply curve? The market is the combination of sum of all the individual firm. Similarly, the market supply is equal to the sum of all the quantities supplied by all individual of the firm, right? So let's move. Okay, let's do this analysis from a graphical point of view. So we have individual firm here, right? So the, let's suppose that the firm want to supply 100 units of quantity at price 1. What if the price goes up to 2? It wants to provide 200. So we draw MC, which is equal to the supply curve here, right? So this basically conforms with the law of supply as well, right? What if we have 1,000 firm in the market? If there are 1,000 firm in the market and each want to supply 100 at price 1, then they're gonna be at price 1. If we add it down, they're gonna be 100,000 quantity here, and when the price is 2, they're gonna be 200,000 quantity here, right? So if we just connect these dots, so a market supply is the addition of all the individual competitive firm supply curves in the market. So let me just remove it to see very nice graph here, because my writing is right now terrible. Okay, so let's see that. So here, so if industry has 1,000 identical firms, then at each market price industry output will be 1,000 times. So output of 1,000 times of the 100 is 100,000, right? And 1,000 times of 200 is 200,000, right? So market supply curve is just the addition of all individual supply curve in short run, right? So let's talk about the long run analysis. And the long run analysis is a little bit different. Why? Because firm will enter or exit the market until profit driven to 0. Why is that? Because whenever the price is greater than every total cost, it triggers which condition? Entry, right? A new firm will come to the market, and what happen? Price start decreasing until price is equal to average total cost. And when price is equal to average total cost, remember our profit formula is if price is equal to ATC, then we have zero profit, right? But some students, they are confused with the zero profit. Then why firm is still producing and supplying goods? Remember, this profit is called economic profit, and this economic profit include explicit cost and implicit cost, right? So even though if we exclude this term implicit cost, so they're going to be accounting profit here, still have accounting profit, right? So what we look at the company's financial statements, they are like $1 million profit, $2 million, $100 million profit. That is accounting profit, right? If we include the implicit cost in a competitive firm or in a competitive market, its economic profit would be 0, right? Okay, so in the long run, price equals the minimum average total cost, right? Here, if price is equal to every total cost, it means that is a natural basically barrier in competitive markets that no new firm will enter and no existing firm will exit the market. So let me just rewrite it down here. Here, if price is equal to every total cost, then what happened? No entry plus for a longer period of time, the firms that are already in the market, they will earn economic profit is equal to 0, but they will be earning accounting profit positive, right? So our third point, that why the market supply curve is horizontal in long run, the answer lies here in our graphical analysis. That, let me just start this one. So we know that MC is upward sloping and MC cuts at AGC. So when firms earning 0 economic profit, it means firms are producing where? It means price here. The price is equal to AR is equal to MR here. So in that case, every firm, because there is market price, right? And for every firm, the market price is same. So every firm want to produce where there is a market price here. So in that case, with 0 profit, the market supply curve gonna be when price is the same. So it means MC, which is when the economic profit is 0, where price is equal to ATC. So in that case, why? Because we know that the profit maximizing condition for the competitive firm is that price is equal to AR is equal to MR is equal to MC. But due to its long run nature, let me just write it down here, long run. One more thing added is every total cost, right? So MC should be also equal to ATC. So here at this condition, we have price is equal to AR, right, is equal to MR is equal to MC, and also the ATC is also here. In that sense, our supply curve is horizontal, right? And this is the formula for horizontal supply curve. So let me just remove that one, and we see a very nice graphical analysis here. Here it is, right? So if you see that the price is the minimum of the every total cost. Minimum of the every total cost means that here in long run supply curve, the supply curve would be horizontal. So can it be upward sloping? So let's, in only two cases or two reasons